Hello friends, welcome back to Knowledge Hub. My name is Ayanda Malvia. Today we will discuss about how you can show your manners in English. There are so many ways by which you can express your manners in English. Some people think that there is no way to express your manners in English, but it is not true. There are so many ways by which you can express your manners. So first of all, we will discuss about these manners one by one. There are so many ways like please, thanks, welcome, kindly, allow me, after you, sorry, excuse me, pardon. There are so many ways by which you can explain your manners. So at which time you should use which kind of word, just like please. At which time you should use please. Suppose you want to take help of someone, then you should use please, just like please give me your pen, please give me a glass of water, please give me a cup of tea. Then you can use such kind of word. If you say directly give me a glass of water, give me a cup of tea, then it's not a good way. Okay, so if you want to show your manners, then you should use please give me a glass of water, please give me a cup of tea. It is good, pretty good way to express your manners. Next word we will talk about thanks. Suppose someone helps you. After helping, you can say what you can say thank you or thanks. Okay, by which you can express your expression. Okay. Next thing is welcome. After help, you can also use the word welcome. Okay, welcome is also the kind of way to express your manners. Next thing is allow me. Suppose there are so many person, those are working on particular topic, okay, of particular things, and you also want to work on that, then you can take permission like allow me to do this. Suppose so many persons are speaking on particular topic and you want to also speak, then you can say allow me to say. Okay, just like in group discussion, you can also say allow me to speak. These kind of words you can use. Okay, just like sorry. Suppose you made any mistake, then after making mistake you can say sorry. Okay, suppose you want to go in between the conversation, then you can say excuse me, I have to go, excuse me, I have to leave. This kind of word you can use for your uh, manners. Okay, suppose in any kind of conversation you did not hear perfectly, then you can use the word pardon. You can repeat again, just like pardon. Okay, uh, then you can use the word like it's my pleasure. Okay, it's my pleasure means suppose someone helped you and uh, he or she said thanks, then you should say it's my pleasure. Okay, so these are few words you can use in English. I hope you understood the concept of these words. If you have any doubt, then you can write it to comment box.